Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Hip-end Corner Girder Jacks. And so to access our truss settings, we can come here to the Steelwise settings section of the ribbon bar. We can go to the Steelwise menu bar under settings, and we can also type in the T-set shortcut alias into the command bar. This will bring up a truss settings dialog box, and under the truss spacing types, we have an option here to set the hip jack as a girder. Now, note that this option will generally be used when the setback of a truncated truss is quite large, or where you might specifically want a vertical web at an oncoming truss location. Once you set this option to true, the first truncated as girder option will also automatically set to true. So if I set it to false and change it back, you'll see it changes to true automatically. And this is so that the loads get transferred through to the truncated truss. Otherwise, if you set it to false, then nothing will be transferred, and the girder jack truss will not pick up the truncated truss as a supporting truss. So if I click on save and we have a look at our layout, we can see here that this corner hip jack here is a girder truss. If I list it, we can see that this is a girder truss, and the truncated truss here, the first one, is also set as a truncated girder truss. If I go to my model view, have a look at my model here, we can see that this hip truss here is set as a girder. We can see we have a vertical support for the oncoming trusses, and on my truncated truss is also a girder, so we can also see here that we've got vertical supports at the oncoming trusses so that it can transfer all the load. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.